Hey guys, so we're getting ready to get started on our January class. There's 10 guys here and we are gonna get down and build some cool stuff. Anytime you're going downhill in your welding wire feed, it gets really hot and you can just go down and put a nice pass in it.
If you're gonna sit there and try and do like that, you're gonna be flowing all over the place. So you're gonna try and keep that gun somewhere in the middle. You're gonna be keeping an eye on that puddle as soon as you start it, depending on which way you wanna go, what's comfortable for you. But I can burn one real quick, or you wanna jump in?
I'll jump in. Travis and Steve are just absolutely amazing about teaching you how to do it, encouraging you to do it the right way. Never made you feel horrible about the way you were welding at first when you got here, and really enjoyed their interaction because it was nonstop. They never left the shop. They were right there for you, with you, 100% of the way.
And then when you get on this table and I start getting you welding, come get me and ask me everything that you want to know, because I want to show you while you're doing it.
Yeah.
For me I'm just showing you a couple things really quick. So when you guys get to the table, you've got an idea of what I want you to start doing.
Learning with Steve and Travis is such an experience, because it's not like your typical format where you have, you're sitting down, you're doing some book learning, and you don't get to really practice the things that they're teaching. I mean, we had about an hour of safety instruction, and we jumped right in, and we had about 10 guys in this course, all levels of welding experience. I was pretty much a novice. I didn't know how to set up a machine, and within an hour I was making pretty decent welds.
It's cool that you guys want to come out and hang out and come to the WelderUp shop and actually build something here. Like I said, I'm not going to ghost you. I'm going to be here every minute. I'm no different than any of the rest of you guys. Like I said, every one of you guys got a skill that I can't do. You guys are in my world, so I get to with you and boss you around a little bit. It's kind of fun. Make sure that if you guys have not entered up for our next class, get signed up and get here. We're going to have a great time. We're going to build some cool stuff, and we'll see you guys at the next one.